Hello, first grade rock stars. Welcome back for another day of Number Corner. This is Miss Ferreira. Okay, you know the drill. We're looking at the patterns on our September calendar, and there are three patterns. I'm looking to see who can predict what is on today's card for the 17th. Let's just review yesterday's date before I give you your time limit on your predictions. Yesterday was Wednesday, September the 16th. 2020. So today is Thursday, September the 17th, 2020. Okay, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you can see those patterns there. And 30 seconds starting now. Okay, boys and girls, time is up. Okay, so we had a pattern with the colors orange, yellow, blue throughout the whole calendar. Well, if you look at the card right before it from yesterday, it was orange. So if you predicted yellow, you are correct. Kiss your brains. Okay, so we had another pattern with the objects on the card. We had tallies, then we had popsicle sticks, then the 20 frame. There's two 10 frames stuck together to make 20. So if you look right before it, there were tally marks. So that means next are the popsicle sticks. And then last we see there is a growing pattern. It increases by 1 throughout the whole calendar. If there were 16 tally marks yesterday, that means today there must be 17 popsicle sticks. So let me zoom in here just to show you. We have a bundle of 10. Then we keep counting up 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, so I have my markers ready with me today. Okay, so we need to start writing the date. Let me switch this over to the date here. Yesterday, we put in 9 for the month of September. Since it's the ninth month, it's still September, so we have to keep it as a 9. Now, yesterday was the 16th. That means today we need to put the 17th. All right, and it's still the same year, 2020. So I'm going to put a 20 there. I'm going to change this on here. We're only changing the middle one because it's still September and it is still 2020. And I also have to change this here. We have the month written out, September with a capital S, but I'm changing that middle number to 17 with a comma, 2020. Okay, so we have our pattern here that we have to put with the model. All right, so let's go back here. So we have our popsicle sticks. Since we have a bundle of 10 with a rubber band around it, I'm just putting a 10 and I'm circling that group of 10. But then I have to draw all of the leftover popsicle sticks. So you see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 popsicle sticks left over. Let me just zoom that in a little bit for you so you can see that better. I do apologize. Okay, so let's get my popsicle sticks out. We had these from yesterday. We had our bundle of 10 that we made already. And we used to have 16 total. So we had 6 left over. So it's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, one group of 10 plus 6 left over. But I have to take one for today too. So instead of 6 left over, we now have 7 left over. So we still put a 1 for one group of 10 in the tens place. One group of 10. We used to have 6 popsicle sticks left over, but we just added one today. So we have to put a 7 there. So our equation should say, since it's one group of 10, we have 10 popsicle sticks plus 7 left over equals 17 in all. All right, let's go back over here because we have to fill in how many days in the school year. Yesterday was our third day of the school year. So today, after third, we say it is the fourth day of the school year. So I'm going to change this number 3 to the number 4. But I need to make sure it's spelled correctly here. Instead of 3, F-O-U-R spells 4. So it's first, second, third, fourth. So I have to change this word third to fourth. F-O-U-R is the hidden word inside of fourth, 4. Then we put a T-H at the end, fourth. So that's how we spell that out. Okay, let's go over now to our days in school 100 chart. We had 3 X's so far for 3 days of school, but now I need to put another X since it's another day of the school year. We have a long way to go since it's just starting because this whole chart is going to be filled up. And then later in the year, we're going to have another chart too. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's go to our collection here. We want this to match with our poster and with all the things that we're collecting. So I need to put a popsicle stick for today, and it actually matches with the calendar. We have one group of 10, and then 8 sticks left over. 10 plus 8 equals 18. And then we have our tally marks here, one group of 10, so it's 10 plus 5 is 15. One more is 16. And let's put another one that makes 17 popsicle sticks. All right, let's go to this one now because we need to add another one to this so it all matches. We have our 20 frame here. I'm putting another counter for another day of school. One group of 10 plus, it's not 6 left over anymore. We have 7 left over. So it's 10 plus 7 equals 17 in all. All right, boys and girls, let's go back over here. Last but not least, we have our number line to do. Okay, if you notice, I have some numbers hidden again today, and I want you to try to figure out the hidden numbers. We need to figure out what comes after 1, or you can even count backwards and give yourself a challenge and think what comes what comes before 5, or what comes after 5. And then you also have to think what numbers go before the number 9. The easiest way to do it, what I like to do, I like to start with 1 and keep counting up. Okay, you ready? So it's 1. So this must be a 2. Let's skip around a little bit. Let's make it a challenge. I want you to tell me and try to figure out what comes before 9. It's not 10 because 10 comes after 9. So we have to count backwards. 9, 8. Okay, I'm skipping around here to make it challenging for you. Does anybody know what number comes before the number 5? When I say before 5, that means it's going to be a smaller number. You see, these are smaller, that's in front of it. The bigger numbers are after it. So what comes before 5? Did you say 4? You are correct. Now let's think, what number comes in between 2 and 4? Whisper it to your parents. Did you whisper 3? Good job. All right, 2 more to go. Let's count backwards for these 2. You ready? Let's start at 9. 9, 8, 7, 6. Let's keep counting backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good job, boys and girls. All right, you worked super hard today. Can't wait to see you again tomorrow for Friday. And it's going to be our last number corner of the week together. Okay, hope everybody has an awesome rest of the day with all of your virtual learning. Can't wait to see you tomorrow, and rock on. Talk to you soon. Bye.